What's up, YouTube? Coming to give an update. This is after the storm. It's a helicopter passing this way. A plane. I'll wait till the plane. Alright, so without telling anybody where I live, if you look at the weather channel, you can kind of figure it out. We had a tornado watch last night. Kind of spooky if you ask me, but come out here and check on the babies, make sure everything's alright. So far, so good. Everything's growing nice and healthy. Shout out to Mountain Crest. That's Mountain Crest live and in effect right there. I'm not going to tell you where I got those leaves from. That was actually a leaf that I picked up and it just started doing its own thing. Not going to tell you where I picked the leaves up from, but I'm telling you, you go someplace that sells succulents. and, you, and you see a leaf on the ground. I'm not saying I didn't pick it up, and I'm not saying I didn't, but yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, that's my Cal and Chloe right there. It's not blooming. There, my baby. She's flowering still. I think I want to put her back in the back. I gotta put some holes in this pot. Now see, she's pretty now. Wait till the flower blooms. The aphid, man, I hate aphids. I hate even talking about it because I feel like I'm conjuring them up. All right, nevertheless, let's see what we got here. I don't know. This one here, after she flowered, she just started to die. And this was huge. Echeveria, what is this? Sunburst or something? Something. Don't quote me, y'all. I don't know. I don't remember the name of it. But I want to say it's dormant. It looks dormant. Yeah, it kind of looked like it went dormant. All right. Shout out to Home Depot for the cuttings. Listen, I can't say I go places, and if I see something on the ground, man, that's dibs. It's on the ground. You keep your floors clean, and people won't pick up stuff. That's all I can say. And I'm not saying I'm guilty, but I mean, hey, I'm not gonna tell on myself, even if I kind of do. All right. Well, anyway, moving on. Tomatoes gonna get chopped up. It's one of those, like I said, the aphids. The aphids did a good number on these. I don't even know. I don't think I can see him on there anymore. Okay, well, anyway. All right, now back to where it's happening. So much rain fell, now the grass needs to be cut. It's okay. And I want to apologize to everybody in advance. If you see my video cuts off, I'm telling you, I don't edit. Chances are my finger hit the button, and that was it for the video. Like my rainy day video, why it was cut so short, my finger hit the button, and it was a wrap after that. One day, an eggplant will spawn. One day. Until then, just pretty purple flowers all over the place. Pretty much. Cabbage. Yes, we have been cooking this cabbage. We have been cooking cabbage. This pot was a lot more full than it is right now. Cause we've been thinning it out and cooking and eating, boy. And it is good. And it does have cabbage worms, as you can tell. You can see that. Damn, it look like aphids too. Yep, that's moving. See, trying to tell you, boy. That's not even an aphid. I don't even know what that is. What is that? What in the hell is that? carrots that I can't wait to pull up. As soon as I see something orange at the top, it's like a pretty green afro. Carrots. And my cherry tree. My cherry tree is loving full sun. I grew that from seed. She's doing well. Besides the critters. More critters. So difficult to be organic. And there's like now I see why it's pesticides on everything. Okay, you need water. Yeah, buddy. All right. Now, let's go to the table. See what's going on here. Now, over the weekend, I put a plum seed in here. I'm going to see what happens with that. I got my fingers crossed. Tabletop watermelons fell. That's why dirt is on it. One of them fell. My Siamese onions. Baby onions, just so you can see how small they are. They are baby onions. There's my hand. There's the onions. I can't wait to pull them up. Yep, grown from scraps. Alright, there was a watermelon on here the other day. And then I realized some of these watermelons, I think they're premature. Because I touched it and it just immediately popped off. See, like that was not looking too good. I can't see anything else on here. It's my apple tree. It needs to be repotted. Terribly. More succulents. I wish I knew how to take the seeds out of these. But I don't. So, pineapple. Alright, so far so good. Everybody's looking pretty decent. Couple burn marks. Critters. And the birds tried to eat one of my succulents. Thank you, birds. Hope you choked on it. Garlic's looking good. Some of them. Garlic. Oh man, I just put that in there the other day too. In place in place of the romaine lettuce that didn't make it. The red onion is loving it. And then there she is. Flower still coming up. Still gorgeous. Sorry, something was biting me. See? Something was biting me. Sorry about that. Flies or something. Those flowers are so pretty. I can't wait till they open all the way. Hopefully aphids don't get to it. 'Cause they don't really start doing anything until some flowers come out. Then it's like, I think this Cal and Chloe's gonna end up taking over this pot. Yep. I know my best friend will recognize these. Hey, best friend. Don't they look good? Nope, you're not getting them back. Nope. All right. Oh, snap. That's what I've been waiting to see. The sweet potato. Yes. Damn, that happened overnight. I was just out here the other day. That was not there. That's crazy. Cabbage looking good. Cabbage looking good. I don't think the worms discovered this over here yet, but cabbage looking good. Cabbage in the pool. And the peppers. Peppers coming up looking nice. All right, guys. Thank you. This was after the uh, after the rainy day review or checkup, or I don't even know what I'm calling this video yet. I'll know it when I get ready to upload it. Shout out to my 25 subscribers. I appreciate you and I thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm enjoying this whole journey with you guys, so I do thank you. All right, peace out.